guys, welcome back. Today I am playing Epic Minigames, and today why can't I even move? This is so stupid. Like, why can't I move? Yep, they're tricking me off. Okay, now I can move. What the heck? I wasn't even moving before. I think I just died, right? Oh no, I'm right over there. I just couldn't find myself. Shoot, 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 shoot. Shoot. Oh god. Ah! Okay. I am about finished. Yes. Yeah. No! Bad penguin! Bad! Oh, he's help. I'm getting help by him. Woo! Woo! We won! All of us won! I'm making some new games. Go check them out. I just literally said that right into the mic. Do you guys even know what my mic even looks like? Well, this is what it looks like. This is what my mic looks like. It looks really weird, but this is what it looks like. It's this game where we have to take out all of these, and I'm gonna have to eat them. I'm gonna eat these. I'm gonna eat these. And I'm gonna eat these. I'm gonna eat these. I'm gonna eat these. Don't mind if I do. I'm gonna eat them. I'm gonna eat them. I'm gonna eat these. I'm gonna eat these. And I'm gonna eat them. Don't mind if I do eat them. Eat them. I'm gonna eat these. Okay. I found people that are helping us. Yes! The red team won! Yay! Okay. I'm gonna go over here. Collection contention. I don't even know what this is. Oh, I know what this is. It's really cool and fun, but it takes a while to film. This is gonna make it take a while, and it takes it takes me a while to film this. So yeah. Toys will start falling. Collect as many as you can. I can't get any toys. Speed round. Okay. Okay. That toy was so close. Aw, man, I didn't win. Because I didn't get a lot of toys. Okay. Oh, I love this one. I love this one. I've played Epic Minigames on that before. I did record it, but I didn't post it. Also, it was without face cam. So, yeah. My cat is meowing. Let's go. I'm so excited, I just can't but wait. I'm so excited, I'm so excited, I just can't wait. I'm so excited, I'm so excited, I just can't wait. I'm so excited, I'm so excited, I just can't wait. So excited, I'm so excited, I just can't wait. So excited, I'm so excited, I just can't wait. Yes! Yes! I won. Woo! Woo! I'm in the second place on the board. Next mini game will be chosen in 7, 6, in 5, 4, 3, 2. Comment in the comment section where I got that from, because I know where I got it from, but maybe you don't. So, guessing what I got it from. Just guess. I can't even move. I'm gonna lose. I can't even move. Like, see, like it will not let me move. Now I can move. I'm probably gonna be the only one who's not winning. Because I'm doing pretty bad. Yeah, I'm the last percent. My mic looks very weird. I'm going to try and pull it up. I'm going to try and move the keyboard so I can pull it up on the camera. It just looks super weird. It really does. I don't know if anyone's had this like kind of mic before, but if you have, please tell me in the comment section. I've had it since the elevator video that I made, the normal elevator. It's like Minecraft. Let's play Minecraft. Oh, somebody already won. Wait, one of them won it? Okay, next game minigame will be chosen in 8, 7, in 5, 4, 3, 2. What even is this? I'll test it out, but I think this is the finale mini game I will do. What even? Oh, there's a red team and blue team. That person just aimed for me. Yes, he got killed! I'm gonna spectate my team. Nope. Yes. Nope. 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 And the red team wins. Ew. Okay, guys, I think this is as long as I'm going to do. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!